Shah. We're in.
How you doing? How you doing?
Let's go. I tell you what, I've been waiting to get. So the market's about to open. I reckon we're going to get a nice short on it. Maybe. I had a really nice
I'm waiting
trade.
for it. Sorry, you go.
So I was actually long pounds like earlier today, and it hit. And it seems a little bit. It seems like it's struggling. It's in that really look at that channel though. It's like
dude, yeah.
like a tight channel and now coming into like a level of resistance. So not sure, man.
Give me half a sec. There we go. Right, done.
Hold on, I've got a sec.
So we rose right through there. So I end up longing euro dollar, preferably, early today. So this was the trade I run through long on there. I was this is my time. This was through Asia, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ran right up through there, coming into early London. Now we've been battling around here. Picked up a couple of shorts. That one, I was looking for that to play through. We got the spike down on the news, but I kept holding it. I actually got stopped out when that ran back up, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Even though it would have been, if I just took it there after the data, 3.5. But I kept holding it. We ran back up here and I got stopped. So,
fun. Nice support on those EMAs, man. On those EMAs, SMAs, all of those moving averages, really nice support. To be fair, now I'm actually looking at price. I might short the Swissy, short the dollar against the Swiss. Now I'm looking at it.
Short dollar Swiss.
Dollar Swiss.
This is dollar yen.
No,
right?
have a look
at dollar yen first, and then. So I always check the two together. I mean, yeah, that looks dead.
It looks.
Right, so this was stuff I marked out yesterday, which is come up to that point, we overshot that a touch, and then back down from here. So I've definitely got a heavy short dollar bias overall. I think we're very much back in swing of that. Like we dipped out of it for a bit of that. This year's theme is just flog the dollar, short the living hell out of that thing, right?
Yeah. Because I think people are thinking it's there's going to be a rate cut, no?
Exactly. So we had the temporary climb from the PPI last night because of that, where we're at 100% chance of a rate cut, and then there was 7% chance of 50 basis points. Right, so 100% of 25, 7% chance of 50 basis points. After the PPI last night, we've gone back to 92% chance of 25 and 7% chance of sitting on our hands. So I'll refresh this, see if it's changed after the Richard. No, it's basically the same. But yeah, so that's why we got the pump back up in the dollar. Now we're coming right off because either way, we're still getting the rate cut back to the same, just like we're doing. And I think at this point, we're getting pretty well telegraphed that, it's a rate cut for sure. So.
Oi. Oh, man. You know what? It would make me
Aussie. Oi.
It would make me the happiest person in the world to actually stream over again. That was a good laugh, man, when we were doing it, when we were streaming.
That was
a good laugh. Yeah, man.
Come on, Michael. Come on. Just do it.
No,
just do it, mate.
No.
Just Nike that shit. Right?
No. I'm gonna log in.
Just egging you on. Don't worry.
Okay, so the market's just opened. New York's just opened. Let's see what happens. Sort your microphone out, mate. Why is my microphone bad? Oh yeah.
Say anything. What are you doing, LJ, man?
What do you mean? I didn't think it was that bad before. Now, no, dude. Now it's worse. Now it's terrible.
Now it's bad.
Okay, now it's good. When you just spoke
Yeah,
then,
it should
was
be
okay,
bad.
right?
Yeah, it should be better. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm trying to get into Trade Locker, man. This is the thing where you're at home,
Yeah.
mate, and you're not in the office and everything. You gotta.
You got echo of my speaking, just by the way,
What'd you say?
coming through your mic. You got echo of my speaking coming through your mic.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it's better now. Now I can't hear it. Now it's fine.
Okay, turned you down.
Yeah, no. I know what you mean. Like you go onto home PC, home setup or something. Same deal. If I like, I've got the laptop here, which I'll often, sometimes I want to change the scenery. I go up to the rooftop, something like that.
Yeah.
Or you work from somewhere else, just to break it up. But then you're like, I don't have all my stuff.
No, I know, mate. And it's all the passwords that matter.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. So see if that's working.
I swear there's something for like a business, for like almost like a VPN type thing.
Yeah.
But you get like a universal password on some kind of blockchain thing, and it just logs you into everything, and it's verified by just your personal ID somehow or something like that, right? Like that's something that needs to happen, because you got passwords for trading accounts, for each of your emails. If you play games or something, you got passwords. You got this and that. You got your telephone account. You got your business account. You got your internet. Dude, it's chaos. There's too many.
All right, are we doing it? Are we short in the pound? You think it's ready?
It might be, since we can't get fully up. To be fair,
I know. I hate when that happens.
Yeah, you get that tout where we did just have that, and it starts to come off, and you think that's it, and you get another run. I think I'm gonna wait just a little. So when I go to the Dixie, basically what I'm saying, I can't. My mic is blocking this stuff. Oh damn. Where is it? Hang on.
Some of that. Well, let me have a look at gold.
This guy here.
Because I've been sitting on my hands all day. Actually, no, I haven't sat on my hands at all.
No,
I've been non-stop trading. I don't know what's sitting on my hands. No, but I've definitely been wanting to short. Gold looks like it wants to come down further, doesn't it? Oh gosh.
Yeah. Oh, dude, gold. I think
gold wants to, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we
Except
had.
For your long.
No, that was from before, so that's already been hit. Right. So that was
long in USD CHF. That's what I'm going for. USD CHF long. Get at me, bro. That's it. Okay, we're going.
Short pound CAD. Michael, what the hell?
Short pound CAD. Interesting.
Is that a real pair?
Pound CAD. That's
Are those real countries, mate? I say that even though I was talking about pound CAD like earlier. Hang on.
So while you do that, I'm gonna go for a naughty little 1-to-1. Since these 1-to-1s have given me 67% win rate at the moment. Oh.
On the 1-to-1s, yeah, dude, that's all you need, because even if you get that's what you want. Like you can go a 0.66 to 1, right?
Yeah.
So your loss is 2/3, take profit being the other third. And if you got 50-50, you make money.
Yeah, don't need a lot. Okay, and that 1-to-1
go beyond that. But normally, okay, so you start from that 50-50, then you press it on from there. You adjust that up, and that's how you go.
because I like what it's done. It's come down at the bottom of this session at the morning. It's come down to retest it, and now it's kind of like pushing up.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, it's just struggling a little bit on these EMAs. Maybe I can jump in on there as well.
Yeah, so what I was saying, if you have a 1-to-1 trade and then you map it out to even push that 1-to-1 to like a 0.67 to 1, but you've mapped out the 1-to-1 position as 50-50, that tends to give you that 0.67, pushing it down further, much higher. And that brings the actual strike rate up to, 85% or so. And then you're way in. That's
Imagine
way.
an 85% win rate. That's what a lot of people have on negative risk to reward. 80-90% win rates.
I can show you mine.
Yeah, well, you got 80% win. You got a strike rate of 80%.
My long-term average in the past decade is
no way on a 1 to 2. You got an 80% win rate on 1 to 2.
Fluxes between 74 and 85, depending on the year, on average.
Not surprised why you're a full-time trader. Bloody hell.
Yeah,
If I had that, I'd be get my Patek Philippe. Gonna get a naughty watch for that, Ooh.
Yeah.
I'll be like, put it on the card.
But it's ones like you don't start out there. Like it's not like I started out there.
No,
it's something you gain over discipline, over time, right?
Who needs discipline?
And you eventually cut out the garbage. Like, I'm sick of this going around.
Discipline. Okay.
It's not, discipline's like a rubbish word, but it's like eventually you start out at the gym lifting like negative 5
lifting
kilos.
20 kilos.
And then you lift 1 kilo, and then you can do 2 kilos.
Yeah.
And then eventually you're up to 100 kegs on bench, right? And then every time you turn up, like it's your bread and butter. Like, it's no effort, and you're good. And then you push on to 150 and so forth.
Let me have a look at this.
Naz Long Michael as well.
I'm just debating whether to jump on this as well. Jump on this on another account.
I don't know if we got Naz Longs, I will say, Mike. It was basically where the options levels were, that was about here, that line I wedged out. So the fact that after the retail sales were decent, as far as the retail sales component was good, the other input prices were not good as far as the inflationary components. What were they at? What was the percentage? 0.4, wasn't it? I think.
Oof. You know what? Am I going to jump in on a fatty order? Yes, I am. Okay, I'm doing it. Big boy order.
I reckon Naz is going down though, bro. Mike.
Well, look, I hope it goes down. I don't hope it goes down, but I think it's going to go down.
Because that's where the price distribution for the options is at 23,792. So we've been basically fluxing that level, and we've tapped into it a number of times as support, right? And now we've cracked through it and coming up to New York Open. So I think we would come lower from here on the Naz. So even if you went right here at spot, short, you're just going, hang on. Let me drag down. There we go. All right, fuck. Drag this down. I'd see this head of support down here. So we go, somewhere down like that. That's what I'd probably look at on Naz. Yeah. Show us your chart, Alex. What are you looking at? What are you trading? What are you going full margin?
I've just jumped in extra on USD CHF, and it's pushing down quite nasty actually. Oh shit!
Do a dance. Do a dance.
I'm trying to put my screen on. There you go.
There we are.
Pound's pushing up. Pound is pushing up. Oof.
Yeah, I think that's why I'm waiting for that high level, like I was talking about before, to absolutely flog it. Once we get there, I'll mince the thing. But until that point,
because I'm just thinking.
I'm
wow, I'm so cooked. As if like I literally got long. I got long on a 50% fib to the downside. Did this yesterday. I did this yesterday though, and it came out pretty nicely.
Absolute rip.
Let's have a look, because there's also a really nice CHF is literally sitting on quite a strong level of support at 80.58. 80.58, which is right there. So
80.58, mate. Oh,
80.58. Let's see if it can hold that.
bro, I think you need to move that stop below the bodies.
I know, yeah. I know.
I think
Realistically, this stop should be here.
Not even there. A
It
touch
should
up,
be
right?
there.
So from the news candle, so yeah, just a touchdown.
What,
Yeah,
here?
just around there. Yeah, so a bit below that.
That's not bad. I'll stomach a 2%. But then they go, well, then I'm doing negative risk to reward, you know?
Yeah, but I wouldn't be surprised. So if pound dollar, euro dollar kick up that bit further, then I think we'd get that. I think you'd be safe there though. And then you get the return and flog, sells on euro dollar, pound dollar.
Wow. If this hits, yes, another phase one done, mate. Done.
Yes, nice.
If this fits, if this hits, and if it doesn't, well, there you go. I've just ran back all my profits like I do.
Dude, the other thing right now is to hedge it. Just hedge it going down. You know it's coming down. Just hedge it there.
I am not hedging this thing. If you have to hedge, you're in the wrong position.
No, well, you're in the wrong position now. Look, you're negative 1,200.
If
you're in the wrong position.
If you're hedging your position, a wise old man told me this. If you're hedging your position while you're a muppet, you got to go the wrong direction. You're in the wrong bloody trade.
No, you can trade back and forth like that. Hedge it
mate,
here. You see it coming close to that stop, because effectively you move your stop to here, right? Technically, and you clean up the difference, then clear the hedge, and then you can move it down to the bottom of those wicks, because you've hedged here, so you've now got the extra equity, and it's the same.
But now think of it right now. If I go short right here, I'm shorting into macro support. Don't know like I don't like the feeling of that. Bit dodgy.
I don't know, it's not a bad option, because depending on the trade, like sometimes I'll run a stop, other times I'll run a hedge, right? So for that same reason, because especially when you get those clusters where something's going to play out eventually, but you're waiting for the difference between, are we stopping here, or is it here, or is it here? Like there's just a cluster through that. So that's when at like this kind of time where we are now is when I run those kind of trades. But yeah, Mike, also, yeah, dude, it normally is this clear. So it's just when you see the stream, it's not that clear, right? The actual EV has got a lower grade.
Oh, right? What was that? What's that?
That's a NAS.
That's a NAS. Oh, yeah. Bloody hell. Oh, there we go.
Mike was saying long, bro. Mike was saying long. Terrible. Long NAS. I was saying like, nah, short. Short that thing. I think we're going downhill. And there you go. We're off. I love
the jumper base on this. I just love trading to like jumper base, man.
Yeah. DNB is good, dude. It's made a bit of a comeback in recent times.
Oh, it's got super
DNB.
popular. Yeah, super popular.
It always comes in and out of pop culture, you know what I mean? So,
yeah, this was this is a silly trade. I need to roll out of this. I need to roll out of this. I don't think I'm gonna.
Yeah, I think so, dude.
Yeah, I need
we'll
to
look
roll
at
out of this. Yeah, I'm
Pound
closing
CAD.
that.
Mark with something. Dude, I don't like pound CAD though at all. Like, I get we're getting this breakout, but it's weird. Why are you trading pound CAD? What the hell is that?
I should flip. Shall I flip short? I'm
That pair
flipping
doesn't exist.
short.
Hedge it, bro. I
I'm
told
flipping
you.
short. Flipping short. I should be flipping
No, just
short.
hedge it. Hedge it. It
I'm
will
not
go long later.
He's
Just
not going to
hedge
go
the
long
thing.
later. What?
It will, because we're gonna short the euro. We're gonna short the
Take
pound.
profit.
Ah,
Oh, I love it. I'm bloody long. 50 lots on my other account.
god
Same
damn, dude.
thing.
So, Dollar Frank, I would hedge short. So, okay, get my brush. Here we are. Hedge short to here. You TP, then you can move the stop here because you've made up the equity from the hedge, right?
LJ,
either
whatever
go
you're
long
saying,
or go
I cannot. I'm not concentrating on anything you're saying. It would have been a cool idea though.
It's going up.
Nah, pounds pushing definitely. Yeah, pounds pushing out.
Yeah. So I was saying that higher level on pound is what I'm looking for. Same with the euro. We're at somewhere around 117.10 on the euro as well.
If I can get out on a little bit of retracement and get long, I don't really feel like dropping 5k right now. See, it's these little trades at the end on a Friday, at the end of New York session. Just
you
like
don't want to get chopped up. That's right. You just hedge it, mate. Hedge it. Hedge that piece of rubbish. Should have hedged Pancake. You went feminine and changed your mind, Michael. God damn.
focus, boys. Post. Yes.
put that skirt on, mate.
Let's see if I can roll out this trade just a little bit. US
Also,
dollar Canadian.
what are you trading, Mike? Didn't you already cleared the account? What are you doing?
Thinking if it can get a
But
little.
I told you if you hedged, what would have happened?
True,
See,
you did
and this
say-
is the turnaround point,
did say
and
that.
you could have shifted the other stop a bit further because now you got the equity, and now you
So-
can wait for it to run up.
You did say. This is what happens when you take a punt.
We got Trader Torch in here as well.
Oh, big trader
Hey.
torch. Hey,
Standard procedures. There we go.
that's it. Like
Degen
and
City.
subscribe.
Degen City.
Like and subscribe. Didn't we went on
I
to
think I just got
USD,
stuck.
we went on to USD CHF earlier and we're like, oh yeah, it's cooked. How did I long afterwards? We were saying it's cooked. I don't understand. Maybe
I don't know. You
I'm not paying
lost your
attention.
brain, mate. You lost your brain.
Lost the brain.
Yeah. So, you got onto
Oh,
it
yeah,
because we were
cool.
saying we were going to short euro dollar and pound dollar, but like I was saying, I think pound dollar's got the more highs to get there. I was looking at that 75, and we just got tapped in right on that. So that's going well. I'm in this bad boy right here now.
Let's
So I'm happy with that.
Is hedging allowed on Funding Rock? Yeah, you can hedge if you want to hedge. But, hedging. A wise man once said to me, hedging means you're in the wrong position. LJ does not agree with me, though.
No. My main strat that
Strategy.
Yeah, that I like from a lot of what I've made is hedging in and out because you're trading both sides constantly. Like it's almost like a in between scalping and like session to session or the day of trades where you go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with that. And then basically you've got a larger for the session trade where you're looking for the big gain, but in between you keep hedging it out and pick up pieces along the way. So you scalp at the same time as
okay.
larger
No,
trade, right?
I agree. If you've got a long term, like a big, yeah, definitely. I agree with that one.
So, and you just in terms of when I call it hedging, you're basically okay. So think sizing the trade with the scalps in the same size as the larger trade you're wanting to see to the end of like the session or the next couple hours or something, right?
Yeah.
Because that way they balance themselves out, so you're not like exposing more risk whilst doing two strategies at the same time. So they blend together.
No, I agree with that. The person that told me was actually Gil, because Micah said, "Was that Wise Man Scruff?" I was like, "No, that's Wise Man Gil, actually."
Well, I would kindly disagree then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. If you've got a long term position on, so we got long CHF. I am long USD CHF. I have just got out of the short because we're on a retracement, but I do think it could potentially come back. On my other account, I'm long here. I'm long here.
Interesting. I feel like I want to add more to this pound dollar short, but I don't know if that's being greedy.
No, go
we
for
got
it.
we got data. We got consumer confidence in like 5 minutes, right? So.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What is going on with me today?
Oh really?
Absolutely fried. I am absolutely fried. What time at 5 o'clock?
Yeah. On the hour. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do a smaller position. I mean,
I think
because we're not getting to that top side bit. I'll take that. I'm adding to it. So if you go to my chart, right? So this is exactly where I got logged in. So I got tapped in right at the fucking top, the exact top of the wick. That was beautiful.
Oh mate, I can
right on the
feel,
R1, dude.
things. I feel
That's
this is going to be good, man. How much are you? How much size have you got on?
So this guy, three lots the first trade, now 4 lots the second. On the 50, on a 50k.
Nice.
So not crazy big, but decent enough.
Right. You don't want to know how much I got on this.
Because I expect we could get some flux because the consumer confidence has been pretty alright. So I basically got this. This is the second trade here.
Yeah, look.
Which I'm looking for down there.
Yeah.
As well. Right. And then I'm gonna bring the stop of this guy back to here. So that one's gonna be pretty much flat. And then so it's just the risk on that. See where we come out. So euro dollar though as well. I've got I'm actually in on here. I got in at this point.
Whack up 2 screens. Whack up one of them USD CHF and another one your pound short. Let's see what happens.
Go do that. What do you
On
mean?
it says up there unnamed. No, it said unnamed. You got a box. Click on the box next to unnamed. No, that's not a box.
That's the box. That one.
And then yeah. Oh no!
I'm gonna upgrade.
Serious. What is going on, man? What the hell?
I just have the free version. That's why I got
Oh
two
my
indicators. All I can do
God.
is 2 indicators, bro. I can't add a third.
God.
I gotta upgrade. I don't use TradingView for streaming, right? So
Alright, we're gonna have to see.
I will have to upgrade though.
You're gonna hear me anyway because I'm gonna be either super happy or super being like, what am I doing?
What do we have? We got like a minute. We got a minute now.
I got 50 lots. I got 50 lots on this.
50 lots, bro. Dude, that's juicy. Hang on.
50 lots, and my stop is 3 pips away.
Okay. Right, let's bring this up. We'll put this up here. That was the retail sales earlier.
Right,
So
okay, we got 30 seconds.
we got 25 seconds. Right, we'll scrap this shit. Get rid of that. This down here so we can see it. And then that's the Dixie there. So
Nice.
there we go.
Alright, we got like 10 seconds.
Oh, we're shuffling around prior like this.
Oh, fuck. Oh, here we fucking go. Go on, is it holding?
It's worse. It's worse.
Yes. Push in.
It's worse, but well then, hang on. Yeah, we should see dollar come down.
Should have pushed down, yeah. But it's holding.
I'm gonna shift. Yeah, no, we're coming up now. Hang on. I'm gonna shift these stops. Where's my pen?
My stop is here.
I'm still in good stead. I got good stead. All right.
If there is a trading god, show himself right now. reveal yourself,
Reveal.
trading god. Show me. I pray to the right person. I pray to the right thing.
Mate, you should have just stuck with the euro and pound dollar shorts, mate. Euro dollar shorts, pound dollar shorts. Much better trade. What are we talking about? I think we've got it's not far. We've got a touch more downside on Dixie. We're kind of flirting with the relative levels.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Right, so should have hedged. Should have just hedged, man.
Should have just hedged, huh?
We got mental wealth trader in here as well.
Alright, okay. Right, going short on that. Just jumped short on both. Swap the positions over.
Pipped off. I'm here. You call for God. God damn it, Michael. All right. See, we've hit my level for the Dixie now.
Just hold your position. Hold your positions. Now this looks definitely doesn't look like it's long. And if I was long in it, man. And now I'm shorting it, and it's coming back into the range.
I'm going adding to shorts Eurodollar.
Why? Let's have a look.
So Dixie's hit this point. We tap right in there, right? So get off. I'm on the free version. Right, go away. So $1 here. Tapped into there. I moved this right up. This was like 0.6% risk, and now I've added to it here. So add the extra one. Going right here. I'm gonna look for that. And I think this I'll bring back up to here. That's basically what I'm looking at now. Those two trades. Oh,
Wow.
shifting it. Hang on.
I love it. Just getting weird.
There we go. That's what we're looking for. Bang. Done. Done, son. And this trade on the pound, that's still going strong. Those two in there. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Oh, yeah. As if I'm just giving back all the profits I made on the day. I am short right now, though.
I told you, hedge into the body of that, and then you got the wicks down there.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I've shorted at the lows. Okay, I shorted at the lows.
Terrible, mate. Terrible.
No, it is fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, you go long here, and then look for that.
Okay, now I'm getting back break even on this trade. That's where my awful entry here on my other account.
Terrible, mate. Terrible.
It is bad. It is bad. This is some bad trading. This is some bad trading today, I gotta say.
We turn around from here. I'm telling you, we turn around from here. This is the point you want to long. This is where
USD CHF.
Yes, yeah, long dollar from here.
Long dollar, huh?
Long dollar. I'm calling it right now.
Oh, too bad. I'm bloody short now, oh no!
Close them out for flat and then go long.
I'm not closing nothing.
Nah, come on, close it out. You'll thank me later. Give me a commission. Come on.
Let me reassess this. Nah, I think we're short, man.
Trade battalion, dude, Mike. Every single one of every YouTube channel.
I want a subscriber of every single one of those. Okay. I want
Mike,
every single one of those channels subscribed.
Mike's trying to crash you out over here. Just hold your position so you can take more L's, bro. We'll see who gets there. We'll see who gets there.
If I do take this next L, my stop loss is up here. If it comes up to that, then that's a big L for the day. That will be a big L. At the moment, I'm breaking. I'm just giving back the profits.
You're at flat now. Reassess. Close it out. Reassess.
Close it out. Reassess. Is that what now?
I reckon. Yeah.
Close out. Do you know who? I don't know, mate. Don't know. I don't think I'm going to do that. Close out and reassess. It's for pussies. We don't do that.
You're lost.
We fight. That's what Marcus Aurelius said, actually. It's very, very well known saying.
To be fair, I do like
now that closes break even.
Marcus Aurelius is a G.
Aurelius.
Yeah.
It is a G, and that's why we're holding.
I bet he was trading dollar franc back then as well.
He was definitely short dollar franc.
Yeah. Oh. Euro is up. Euro is definitely up right now. Where's my stop? Is that in line? Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay.
Alright, whatever Marcus Aurelius said, I don't agree with him at the moment.
Not your friend today.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Now he is. Now he is.
Now he is. Now he is.
All right,
To be honest, if we look at this though, why realistically would I be? I could understand why I'd long here. I'd understand I'd long here. We've had a break up, taken those highs out, retested, and then push out. But that first long, definitely valid. I'm not going to take that away from me. Short, probably better off shorting after a retracement and probably not at the lows, but they're still a valid short right now.
I just think we're already like we've moved so far today as far as the ATR.
Yeah, that's
We'll
the
turn
thing,
around.
innit?
So
Yeah,
like, dude, like euro dollar's up over 0.5%.
yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna turn around. So that's why I'm sticking
Sticking with your
sticking
guns.
this shorts. Yeah, that. So hence dollar franc higher.
Yeah. It's also come down quite a lot on the day.
Yeah.
But Swissy's quite strong today, though. Swissy's quite strong against everything.
Yeah, it has been. But we just hit that price support. Like, zoom out to a higher time frame, and you'll see there's a cluster level through here.
If I zoom out on, let's go. If I look at it on a 4 hour, I'm aiming for continuation.
Yeah.
Gotta break
All right, or go to like a I don't know, go to a 15.
Look at that. Yeah,
Go to a 15. Go to 15.
it's basically a day trade. Mate, where does that say long to you? Where?
Zoom out.
How much do I have to
See,
zoom
we're in
out?
this
That does not look long. That
Yeah.
does not look long. I'm sorry.
You gotta remember though, we're on Friday.
We're
Coming
on
to New York
Friday.
now, right?
Pushed-
We've had the data. We've had the data come out. It's all through. We're kind of done for today. Because you think about the
That
end
don't
of
look-
today
this does
into the
not
week.
look like any type of structure that wants to come back up though. Like this, you know. And I'm all for one for long in USD CHF. You know, like, you know, I love. Pound's also pushing up. Euro's pushing up. Pound's pushing back up. I'm sticking to the guns, boys. Sticking to the guns. Sticking to the guns. We've got drummer bass on as well. This is how we lock in.
We'll see how it goes. See how it goes.
High leverage humans. Nice. Wow, we've got so many people in here. We've got 11 people in here.
Bro, that's big.
This
That's
is
big.
great. This is great. Perfect.
In all times, mate.
Yeah, man.
Don't I trade indices at New York Open? ZIX. So I just saw this now. Typically, yes. We were looking at the NAS before, and this was the trade I was scoping out. So this was the
Wow.
T1 thing just there, which did actually end up hitting through there. And now we've bounced back. So again, coming into the actual Open, you get a retrace right to where the options levels. So this is actually a perfect example of those options trades, right? So we go to the option. It was at 792, and look at this.
I can't believe
We
you've got
peaked
free
right
trading.
at 7, just by 792. Right there, right? So at bar, whenever you get the movement outside of that, you reverse the trade coming into the New York Open at wherever the options level is. So that's 792 right there. That's exactly where we peaked at. Then let's get that pushed back in. So we were looking at this before the Open. We got that dip down. That's into the T1 I had marked out. And then bang, you pushed right back.
Indices are nuts. That's
Mate,
nuts.
this is bread and butter. Like you play that every single day at the New York Open. It's amazing. It's an easy trade. Anytime you're away from, you mark out. Okay, so you go like, this is where the options level is 792 if I can get it. That's basically it. Coming up to New York, if you're outside of that, if you're above, you're short to it. If you're below, you're long to it. Bang, easy trade. We had that.
Oh yeah, that looks
right
easy. That looks like a really easy
because
trade.
that's where you know it is, right? So you know, coming up to that, boom, you punch it. We go down to the 5 minute. So you were seeing that crash through. Now you've moved outside, punch right on. We come right up to the options level. There you go.
There's an awful lot of wicks forming on USD CHF.
Yeah, you should probably just get rid of it, mate. I'd say. Sounds pretty terrible.
What's that level that it's on underneath?
What, down here?
Yeah, what's that level? Is that just a random level you've just put in, or is that like an actual proper level?
No, this is not what I'm in on. But yeah, if,
No. That
was just
level
basically by the prior wick there. If that's what you're talking about.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's not like a 13-year level that we've been.
No, so I go a touch beyond that to get like because you want that safety of like a bit of wick variation, the spread variation, that kind of stuff. So I'll probably go a touch further. But if you did actually crack that, I'd be like, yeah, we're done. That's invalid.
I reckon we're gonna crack soon. If not,
So I mean that's still 1.5.
Nah, we're looking heavy. It's looking heavy, man.
Is it?
Yeah, man, it's looking heavy.
What's dollar franc? It's down 0.3. I could see us
0.3.
coming
It could move to 0.5.
I would say I could see us coming to 80-40.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I just don't know if it's going to get it, being that I would see pound dollar, euro dollar coming off and then shift the dollar complex as a whole.
We've not really got any more lows to be taken other than 80-40, 80-44.
I don't like the Dixie, man. The Dixie is what fucks it up, I would say.
What's my losses at the moment on this today? On this account.
Wait, Akram, your fave German lady in the Discord. Toss you the link. Who is that? Who's your favorite German lady? You got a mistress? What are we talking about here? What do you mean?
I didn't know that's what you guys get up to in your Discord.
Hey, Michael's originally English. He lives in Poland. But he's from England, bro. So
Michael's English.
Michael's not
Yeah.
German. Alright.
Michael's not English. Oh. Normally we actually finish at 5, but seeing as I'm probably not going to move until this trade hits.
That's right. I'm happy to stay cracking around, so that's fine.
You know what? I think tonight I'm gonna enjoy some food and a nice glass of wine.
No, that depends if your TP hits.
Oh, if my TP hits, I'm gonna have 2 glasses.
A cigar as well.
Oh god.
Yep. There you go.
Oh. Yeah, I don't see it going though. Like where I've placed the TP. But
Or my
placed
next
the TP at
crossword.
80-30. It's a bit low.
I'm
A
ready.
bit greedy. That TP's a bit greedy. Like
I would be getting
even
out
on
of
naked
the
even
trade.
on naked charts, I'm looking at this. It's like, bro, did you
I get it.
actually
Looking at the chart,
really
it looks like death. My thing is basically the fact that it's Friday, and we've had the data and all that kind of stuff, and coming to the end of the week. So that's why I don't like.
But that's what I'm saying. That's like that's putting what you think is going to happen instead of like what are we seeing, and we're seeing.
That's what I've seen over 10 years, right? Of Friday
Oh,
Wizards.
touche,
Yeah.
touche. Fair enough, mate. Fair
Bringing
enough.
out the boxing hands.
Fair enough. Yeah. Good one. Like that one. That was a good one.
So yeah, I definitely. So the other portion is that stuff like dollar franc is a bit different to dollar yen. Franc definitely still has more general push as far as strength. So I can definitely see it, but it's
I find
also
it hard to do yen pairs.
Yeah. Right now, it's difficult because it's very based on the outlook for the rate cuts, because everyone's stacked in carry trades, right? So every time the Fed rate watch tool changes, every couple of percent, it goes back and forth, whipsaw. And that's basically what we've seen the past, definitely this past week, same with last week.
It's difficult to trade like that, man, because you put, like, for me, all my stops are at, points of basic liquidity, and I put my stop where everybody else put their stop. Randomly, something happens, it just smashes down, takes me out, and then goes direction. And it happens literally all the time. And stuff like that doesn't happen that much on GU, EU, and USD CHF.
Exactly. Because they don't have that same rate sensitivity. It's a bit more matched. Right, whereas you've got the clear distinction between a lot of the whole, like, fair value for the dollar yen right now is way lower. It's like in the 120s, right?
Yeah, you think?
The only reason it's up here is because of that carry trade aspect that has pushed the weakness in the yen. And that's some of the stuff I did some modeling with Dirk and Sash to price that out. So yeah, we've basically come to it's around 118 with the new rate shifts. It's probably about 121 fair value for the dollar yen. So obviously we're way outside of that, but what's lifted it is that carry trade. So once that does unwind,
that's going to be a volatile,
massive trade, dude. You're going straight down through that where we are now, 144, 145s, down to 140, crack through that into 135, 130, bang, bang, bang.
Let me have a look on a weekly on that.
We're not there just yet.
No. We're already starting to see it come off, though. To be honest, we're already starting to see USD start to shift some serious structure.
Yeah.
It's weekly structure, though. That's the thing. Now I'm looking at weekly structure now. It's made. If you pop your chart up and put on a weekly chart on dollar yen.
We'll go the Dixie first, right? Because it's the similar stuff.
Yeah.
Let me get rid of the pivots because that's rubbish. There we go. So this is basically the neutral contention zone that I've got. That's why I've got these lines through here. So once we sort of, like, you can see we've already cracked through this underside of the higher price action.
Yeah.
This box up here. And so that seems kind of dead now. Let's go and draw a box through that. Like,
it looks, that was the prior range.
Yeah, that prior range. So we're now just in that neutral zone, and it's just waiting to kick on down into here. Right? And then that'll mean euro dollar up towards 120. Pound dollar way up as well, and then we go to dollar yen. There's this trend line through here. This is on the weekly, right? So it looks a bit skewed, but there's this trend line through there that we've tapped into a number of times, and that's basically the crux point that if we actually fall through it and manage to keep kicking on, you go down to 140, and then you're just like right down here, down to 120. First point of call about 128, 129.
Yeah, I'm probably going to sell. I did a
But,
conversion of
I'm
all
with
my
them.
money into dollars because it was cheap, and now I'm looking at the dollar. I'm like, yeah, I'm actually going to convert everything back.
Yeah, definitely.
It's probably not an idea to keep all of them dollars.
No.
Okay, price looks a little bit heavier. It's started to come down.
Give me half a sec. I'll be back in a sec.
All right. Ooh, yes. What is that? What is that? What is going on, man? Tell you what, Evu Monks. This is why, Michael. This is why I need you, mate. This is why I need you. There you go. Yeah, as if I still hold. That was it was nice long when I was thinking about it, but really, when I look properly back, I was like, what was I doing long in that? Like, what was I doing long in that? It's crazy. Michael, you're way too expensive, mate. You are way too expensive. I could get you an account. All right, we're pushing down on the what? Got to delete some of these frames. What are you doing this weekend? How do you relax on the weekend?
I sleep, dude. That's the only time I get sleep.
Trust me. Trust me. This
I
is
don't
what
relax.
I know.
I'm just like comatose.
Oh, mate.
While
To be
sleeping.
fair, like on Thursday around here, Thursdays are days where you go out and you party and stuff. I was in bed at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I got a fatty gym work at gym session though this morning. I killed my legs. Did a bunch of deadlifts. Did like 3-4 sets of deadlifts, and then I looked at the hack squat. And in my plan is like the hack squat, and I'm like, I don't want to do the hack squat right now. When I did the hack squat, it was painful, man. But it was such a good workout. Hack squat, honestly, hack squat is savage.
Definitely. Hack squats are really good, dude. Really good.
Yeah.
Legs are heavy days though, because you do leg, like that's your largest, in terms of total muscle fibers, all that kind of stuff. So you do one leg day is the equivalent of doing like chest, back, and like shoulders together, right? So that's why it's so intensive. You feel like you're wrecked, right? So I've now split mine up to doing like quads, hammies, and then you do glutes, calves, and a little bit of,
Oh, so you've split your legs up?
into two. For that reason, yeah. Which I used to do it all in one, but
Yeah, that's what I do.
I trash myself too hard. So
Well,
I
I've
do
got this
that
new-
and have the two in a week rather than like one massive one a week, and then
Well, I just got a new pre-workout. I tell you what, mate.
Yeah.
The beta alanine in it. I'm sitting at my desk, just waiting to go to the gym. This is in the morning, and I'm just tingling everywhere, man. I feel like I just feel itchy. Everything. It's got like, gotta see which one it is.
Did you ever try the old pre-workouts, like the original like Jack 3D, that kind of stuff?
Yeah, Jacks.
The originals though, before everything got banned.
The band one, because it couldn't. People couldn't sleep on it.
Yeah,
That's
it had
bad.
1,3-dimeth in it. So 1,3-dimethyl alliamine, which is basically the same as meth. So there you go.
Super strong.
Wait,
Yeah,
what was
so
that?
this has got-
Show it again.
Contra conviction.
Conviction.
So it's got
You've been convicted now.
It's got 3,200 milligrams of beta alanine. It's got only 350 milligrams of caffeine. And the rest are just things that I don't know.
Only 300. Only 300.
Only 3. Is that a lot?
Yeah, that's
that a lot?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Really? Is it?
For one scoop. That's
Yeah,
like
350,
the
350 milligrams.
that's like the top end. Yeah, that's the top end. That's the top end.
Lads, I've been drinking coffee all day on top of that. Really? I didn't
Yeah,
think it
well,
was a lot.
exactly. So if you have more than that, then that's crazy because, like, I mean, a standard coffee is what, like, Mike, you can check this, but it's like 60 to 100 milligrams of caffeine.
I'm not surprised why I can't sleep at night.
60 is like standard. Think about like an energy drink is like 180, right?
Wow, this has got 350.
So
I'm
it's
not
the same
surprised
as
why I'm
having
having a
like
good workout.
Yeah, 2 energy drinks right away. So there you go. Yeah.
I have that straight in the morning. But it should wear off at night, no?
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I normally do. Like, you have the pre-workout in the morning, wakes you up, that kind of stuff. By the time you go to sleep, the half-life is like reduced. And,
Yeah.
yeah.
I was like, 350 doesn't. That's not a lot of caffeine. It's like, I'm gonna have a couple of coffees after. Alex, are you in MMA? No, not anymore, mate. I used to be. I need to get back in, but I kind of understand now at the ripe age of 28, 29, I'm probably not going to be any type of MMA superstar anytime soon. So taking a little bit of time off it.
So put in the work, put in the hours, mate. You'll get there.
Oh, no,
That's right.
I'm cooked, man. Just got it everywhere. I've got Apple Candy Crush all over the.
Also, Mike, dude, what's a hack squat, mate? You've got a hack squat at your gym. I saw the photos before that you posted. You got a hack squat.
Mike's trolling.
I know he's trolling, but wait, if you just do the swimming and you don't go to the gym as well, when you've got that good of a gym, that is a good gym. I will come.
Hey, Poland's the place, man. Poland is the place.
I will come to Krakow and I will absolutely murder you. I will. How do you have that good of a gym and you're like, nah, whatever. Like, I'll just leave that. Bruv, come on, that's a good.
Do you know the gym I have to work out in? You would be appalled at what our biggest dumbbell is 30. Like,
wait, what?
Yeah, the biggest dumbbell is 30. So, Michael, if you've got an amazing gym and you're not using full facilities, oh, it's awful, man.
Bro, I was pressing 30s when I was in high school.
It's real. I know it's really.
What do you mean?
It's really bad, man. Yeah, it's bad. So I have to. That's why I just do everything on barbell. I use barbells for everything. This isn't a good sign.
That's shocking, mate. That's shocking.
This is not a good sign that we're not breaking. That we've just wicked the bottom of that.
No, it's a great sign. It's a great sign.
That's not a good sign.
That's a great sign. That's good. That's what I want to see. So I'm short euro dollar, short pound dollar. So it's what we want. This is arguably perfect. Perfect, mate.
Let's have a look.
Get with it.
Pound dollar is does not look good though. It doesn't look good for anything. It doesn't even look good for long.
What do you mean?
It's all short. I'm gonna put pound dollar on right now. Hold on.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't look healthy. Put it that way.
What is that?
You know,
what is that?
Exactly. It looks like it's about to spew its guts.
It looks like it's gonna do. It looks like it's gonna do something.
Yeah, it's had too much Guinness, right? It's been trying to split the G too many times. Can't do it. You've had like 6 Guinnesses trying to do it. Now you're cooked after a couple of tequilas. That thing's going out of bed. He's done.
This is the caterpillar pattern.
No, it's not caterpillar. It's catatonic. That thing is going to the ground, mate. We're falling out of bed. Look at those wicks at the top, right?
Yeah, no, I'm looking.
Right, you see that? You see that? Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I can see that. Oh, Fridays.
What has Akram been saying? What is this? Hang on. Back squat is quad dominant exercise like squats. He's on the back. Duck walk Alex. Forward and backward. Take the challenge.
Duck
What does
walk
that mean?
forward and backwards. It's like a wrestling. Look at that. That's a nightmare. That is.
Dude, what if we had like prop boxing?
That'd be
Like
so much
boxing between the
the prop.
right?
To be fair, though,
Yeah.
To be
Put
fair,
up your
there's
best
so many
fighter.
there's so many people now that do some type of martial arts or some type of summon. You know,
I reckon that'd be fun. Or we do like a tag team wrestling thing. I'd tag team with you. We can be on the same team, and but you gotta go tag team like UFC or something. It needs more.
we're
more
doing.
than- we don't want fake wrestling. We want actual fighting like UFC, right? Actual,
Yeah.
cracking people out.
Are we gonna wear singlets?
Topless. It's fine.
Topless
Topless in the DTs. The DTs. If you're from Australia, do you know what DTs are?
The DT.
It might be just the Australian thing, but
No, I don't know what a DT is.
I don't know
What's
if
a
I can say what DT means, but
Ed-
it's basically like briefs, but like underwear. So D, think you know what the D means?
I know what
And
a
then,
D. I know what a D is. I've
togs.
had one for 29
Yeah.
years.
Yeah. So D togs. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh mate, I don't know about this.
Just a UFC in that, and we'll just scrap.
That'd be
Make some legs.
that'd be super interesting.
We got Akram in the ring as well because we need to settle that beef.
That could be that is the USP. That could be the USP for Funding Rock. Like what other than the fact X, Y, and Z, we do wrestling with everybody that comes in and funded trader. They automatically go into a wrestling tournament where they have to fight for the funding.
Yeah.
Which is basically,
Well, I don't know if you guys have. Do you guys have it in? I guess originally in the UK. So we have here with like law firms, finance firms, where you play rugby, for instance. Like they have rugby teams, but it's just
there's corporate competition.
yeah, corporate, yeah, like that. What if you had an international corporate fighting league between
Prop firms.
that? Yeah, and maybe you get some of the traditional brokers as well, right?
Pepperstone
you get
versus
Yeah,
Blue
exactly.
Bull.
You get a bit of a scrap going on.
I'd
think that'd be
100% go Pepperstone. I think Pepperstone are a much better broker than Blueberry Markets.
I just bet on myself. Whoever I'm with, bet on me. Because I'm the champ. That's it. There we go.
We're just stuck, man. We're not doing anything. And it really just wants to go. It looks like it just wants to move up.
Yeah. I think we're pausing, consolidating from here. I think the path of least resistance is to the upside, at least for the euro dollar, pound dollar. Hence,
I don't know. Euro just
Not-
has been steam all day.
so dollar franc, I can actually see more downside, but I just think as far as where the other majors are, and since we've gone through the data, that kind of stuff, I think we will get that pull lower. Hence, dollar to the upside. At least for today's session. Like overall, as we've talked about before, dollar is down, but right now I think we'll go to the upside.
Yeah, I need to. It's just reminded me actually. USD. No, that's fine. I was thinking of getting all of my prop firm, because at the moment what I've been doing, because I've never actually built out a consistent track record with one account, because I always change with prop firms and stuff like that. And you change.
I know what
the
you're saying.
account and stuff, and it's so annoying. I was just like, I'm not just gonna do it because it's just so annoying. You got to put it on. So I've never actually done it. So what I've done recently, just get like $1,000, stuck it into a broker, and then I've got all of it copied onto that. So then it's consistent. So then I can build up the track record. And I was just like, if I'm doing that, I might as well just stick it all in there. Like,
Yeah.
stick all. Why not? Because if I'm trading, and if it's just stuck in the bank, not doing anything, then why don't I just compound it all?
Yeah.
I don't know why I just didn't. I just don't know why. I just don't know why I didn't think of doing it sooner.
I know exactly what you're talking about. Same thing with like if you do want to start a larger firm or some kind of like aggregate money, blah blah blah. You need that track record, at least minimum 2 years, ideally 5 years, fully fledged out. No errors, no inconsistencies, that kind of thing. I don't have that as well because I've always traded my own personal stuff, taking out money for this and that, and doing whatever the fuck,
changing, moving around.
Life stuff, family stuff. You're like, okay, sorry, you need 50 grand. I'm just gonna take that now, and then right?
Yeah.
So definitely, I would say whether it's whatever amount it is doesn't matter. It's more the
it's just for an account specifically designed to get track record.
Yeah,
I agree.
So $1,000, $10,000, whatever, and
it could be 100
yeah, exactly. So just get the trading records of the activity, and then that's good. And that's something that I should have done a long time ago, personally.
I've got to stop you. I want you to go through that all again because I want to clip it, okay? So you need to do the whole thing again.
All right, cool. Where do we start?
Start from the beginning. Traders need to do X, Y, and Z. Okay, go.
Wait, no. I need. Hang on. Yeah,
like traders are making a massive mistake by not having, make it a hook. I need this.
Oh, that's right. We'll get there. Right. I finished my one bottle. It's fine.
Nice. One.
Okay.
You ready? Go on.
What are you saying? Give me an impulse. You introduce it.
All right. So
because as far as the clip, like I think that's more fun.
No, you
right?
just say we were talking about trade. We were talking about not having building up a track record. Traders are making the mistake of not building a track record because prop firms are always changing accounts, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, so definitely the major thing is you got to build a track record. No, come on, we'll restart.
Oh, we'll do it again. All right?
Like I said, give me the intro and then I'll be ready.
Do you want me to do it? I'm just gonna do it.
No, just give me the intro and then I'll be ready.
All the time. Okay. So traders are making a massive mistake by not building a track record.
No, Alex, no, that's terrible.
You're gonna have to help me then, bro. Okay, right. We'll do it again. So, LJ, you think building a track record is important?
Yeah, definitely. So you need to build that track record. So through trading, like you're gonna have your like prime accounts that you trade through, whether it's prop or your personal brokerage account. What you need to do though is get the. Okay, no, we'll start again.
Oh my god. No, okay, but on a serious note, I'm not even on a clip. Not even on a clip. On a serious note, if you're gonna be trading prop, put money into a normal broker. It could be 100, it could be 1,000. It really doesn't matter, and have that copied with all of the trades from your prop account. And the whole idea for this account is specifically so you can actually build up a track record. Because let's say you want to go and you want to get a job on an actual desk, you need to have a specific track record. Normally that's a year, normally it's 2 years, whatever. And because a lot of traders, including myself, are always changing accounts with prop firms and doing this, we're never actually building up the track record that people want to see. So that's what I've done. I've opened up a personal account, stuck in $1,000. That's getting copied with all the trades over, and the idea for that account is not to make money on it. All it is just to build out the track record. Boom! We done it.
No, that's right. No. You missed. I was playing that off what Akram was talking about in the chat. All right, we can do it again. It's fun. That was terrible, Alex.
That wasn't terrible. That was fantastic. It's great. That was super.
I'll give you
But
a
that,
double tip.
yeah,
Double-
it is. It is. I think it is important.
No, it's very important. You got to build up that track record. Like, obviously, if you're going to go to a traditional outlet, you need that 2 years plus, up to 5 years of straight through track record of you trading at whatever level, whether it's $1,000, $10,000, $100 grand, either way, doesn't matter. Trade through that completely. Don't have interruptions the whole way through.
Yeah. No, it's true. But that's the thing. Nobody actually does it. Stop, mate. Stop ruining it. Oh man. We'll
Right, me and Akram are on the same side. That's right. We're teasing.
Voids are like high YouTube.
I'll stop. I'm sorry. I'll stop.
You are literally. You're like the worst person to clip. You are like. Yes, I got a good clip. I got a good clip for the. I got a good clip for yesterday's trade. Did you see that video?
No, I think Akram did send it to me. Hang on, I think. Which one? Bring up this.
Go on to Funding Rock.
Go on to yours or Funding Rock?
Funding Rock. You seen it?
Yeah. Is it a post or like a story post?
No, that's a real, mate. I swear I sent it to you.
Short your entry, alright?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Yeah. That was a cool little video.
Going up though.
Boom.
Now, but we've topped out. We've already punched that, right? We topped out, but we're going higher. Come on, boys. What I'm saying is we're topped out. We're topped out, right?
Hey, to be fair, I closed out at 2:31 just now. So as long as I can.
Oh, that's a long clip.
Yeah. How does this end? That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah. I didn't know that. I didn't realize it was that long.
It is long.
That is long.
No, it's
Okay,
good.
so look at that low. Look at what we're doing now. USD CHF. Come back. We broke the low. Come back to retest prior lows pre-break. This is a pretty classy setup, to be fair. It's pretty.
Dude, I think you're cooked, to be honest.
So it's a new experience, Alex Funding Rock. Yes.
And where'd you cooked?
Wait, where's your stop on this Euro trade? Because Euro's creeping up.
Okay, so my stop is at was it 117.21. So I still got some height. It's actually 21.8 specifically. Yep.
That's not that far away.
No, it's not, but I'll sit on it, you know? That's fine.
Oh no, I think you're good actually. You're behind a prior low before that. I think you're good at it. But it's really fierce. Wow, if I ever look on an hourly on Euro, it's literally just been green candles all day.
Yes. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a big pullback, but just partial, but still 116.95 to 90 odd, right? So like I was saying earlier, like overall I am bearish dollar coming forward for the next month to 2 months, whatever. I think we're going back into that regime right now. But for today, coming to Friday.
Dino, why have you deactivated your Instagram, mate? How come? To be fair, I'm thinking about deactivating my personal Instagram. I spend way too much time on Instagram on Reels.
Yeah?
I've spent. This is one of the reasons why I got rid of my couch. I'd just lie on the couch and look at reels. It's like I'm getting rid of the couch. Then, couch is the problem.
Sitting on the couch back here like this. You're like, blah, 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 like every hour of the day.
Basically, it's super bad.
Yeah.
And then we're just watching, random funny clips.
Speaking of super bad, that's a good movie. That's
Great movie.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna capitulate on this movie.
Bro, just take the profit and go long. I swear, just do it.
I'll
mate.
go long.
Just do it.
Yeah.
I think we're done. Like I was saying, you think about the relative expectation for today, not the overall structure. Because the structure says, yeah, short. I would short the hell out of that thing. But for today, no good, right?
Well, if I was going to short, it should have been like 20 pips above, not where I'm short now, to be fair.
Yeah.
But
And then you need a track record for the past few years. And
that's it. You're getting the hang of it, mate. You're getting the hang of it. All right.
Right, don't worry, I'll give you that soon. Don't worry.
That's it, guys. We're going to call it a day because I'm actually, my brain is actually spangled, man. Oh, what? Where's Mike gone? Mike, wait. Where's LJ gone?
Okay, I'm kind of here.
Oh my God, man. I'm gonna have to get used to Evo Mux. Anyway, guys, hope you have a really nice weekend. And these trains.
Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for seeing us. We closed out the week. We got retail sales, that kind of stuff. Everything has come through. Hope you guys had a great trading week, and we'll see you next time. Adios.
See you then.
Enjoy
Adios.
your weekend.